All right, this is on solving linear equations with fractions. So we do need to make sure when we do these problems that we verify that our solutions work. So in this first example, we have a fraction of x plus 2 over 4 and then x minus 1 over 3. So what you would want to do is multiply all of the terms by the LCD. So the LCD is 12. So this first fraction distributes the 12. Second fraction, I'll change that to subtraction sign there. And then third fraction, which is just a 2. What's going to happen when we do this is you're going to have a common factor in this first fraction so that this denominator cancels out. That's your goal. In the second fraction, we have a common factor of 3. So we're left with 4. This fraction is now gone. All right, so what are we left with? We're left with 3 quantity x plus 2 over 1 minus 4 quantity x minus 1 over 1, and then 12 times 2 is 24. So what that does is it changes it to a nice linear equation. Now we distribute the 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2 is 6. Second, distribute again, negative 4x, positive 4. Combine like terms, 3x minus 4x is negative x. 6 and 4 is 10. Subtract 10 from both sides. You get negative x equals 14. Divide both sides by negative 14, by a negative 1, giving you negative 14. You do want to verify that that solution does hold true, so you would substitute negative 14 into the original problem and see that it works. And just to save some time, this one does work. All right, example 2. Solve this rational equation. First, identify the domain restrictions. So we need to factor this denominator. So that is x plus 6 x minus 2. The reason why you do that is you're looking for that LCD. So the domain restriction is we don't want the answer in the end to be a negative 6 or a positive 2. Then our LCD is going to be x plus 6, x minus 2. So we're going to multiply all fractions by that LCD. So we have 3 over x plus 6 times your LCD. Second fraction, multiply by your LCD. Third fraction on the right side, write that in factored form. Multiply by the LCD. Okay. Now we get to do the fun of canceling. X minus 6 x plus 6 cancels. X minus 2 cancels. X plus 6. X minus 2. What should happen at that step is all fractions will be gone. Let's turn it into a linear. So we're left with 3 quantity x minus 2 plus 1 quantity x plus 6, and then 4. Nice linear equation. Distribute the 3, distribute the 1, combine like terms, and then divide by 4, giving you 1. And then you want to check to make sure that that solution holds true. And to save time, it will work. So you would verify by substituting it back in.